In this video, I'm going to show you how to retain your website. So if you're hosting your website on Wix or Squarespace or any web hoster like that, then you might need to follow the instructions in this video. Now, once you've migrated all of your DNS records onto the system, your A name and CNAME records should have automatically been migrated to the system, and you shouldn't have any problem. Those records should still be redirecting your users to your website that already exists. But if for any reason it hasn't done that, this is what you're going to do. So we're going to navigate over to our domain by clicking on Setup over here on the bottom left-hand side and clicking on Domains. We're then going to click into our domain settings, and here is where we are going to add any missing A name or CNAME records. So you'll see here that I don't have an A name record. That is because no website is connected to this domain. So that's something that I don't need to worry about. But if I did and I had an A name record that hadn't been imported into the system, what I would do is come and click on Add DNS Record, and I would select my A name record. And then I would go to that screenshot that I took of my DNS records, and I would put that information in here, and I would go ahead and click Save. And then that A name record will be imported. The same goes for my CNAME records. If my CNAME records were missing, especially this one, the one that takes us directly to our website, I would again need to add a DNS record, select my CNAME record type, add in that information, and hit Save. And then those DNS records would be imported. It's important to note that those records will take a little while to be imported into the system and for everything to be up and running again, so don't freak out while those are being imported into the system. Now, there is one other thing that you need to do to secure your website if you are hosting it on an external hosting system like Wix. You're going to want to get an SSL certificate and provide that to your existing web hoster so that everything is secure and stays up and running. So what you're going to do to get that SSL certificate is you're going to come here to Actions on the top right-hand side. You're going to click SSL certificate. You're then going to put in your password, and you're going to say Download SSL certificate. Now, this is a very important document that you want to treat with the highest security. So download it, give it to your web hoster, delete it. Don't share it with anyone that you don't trust. Make sure that it is being used and deleted from your downloads straight away. And if you aren't sure how to upload that SSL certificate to your web hoster, please reach out to their relevant support teams to help you out with getting that sorted out. I obviously can't provide you with the relevant support for each individual web hosting service because there are so many different ones. So you're going to need to go to their support teams to help you with that. But that is how you can get your SSL certificate, and that's what you need in order to secure that website even further. So those are some extra steps that you can take to retain your existing website. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to migrate some extra DNS records. I'll see you there.